Oh shit, man, the guy. Now where can we find a record? Nice. It's like a snake.
아, 저기 EMT를 꽂아가지고 뒤를 붙잡고 움직여.
or EMT, SPU, G-type, A-type, any kind of any length, you can set up within 10 seconds, replace, play within 15 seconds, including weight adjustment, whatever any length is perfectly set up and start to play. This is a we call laser pointer, laser shooting out for laser line. Then this completely linear tracking, perfectly linear tracking, and this laser line hit the needle pin always on the line, and whatever any size is adjustable for this length. Adjustable. Short size, long size for adjustable. And look at this line, completely straight, tangential, perfect tangential, with on the laser line, bright diamond tip on the laser line, always. So that's why any kind of cartridge, whatever any size, weight, is compatible, perfectly matching on the laser line, tangential line. Also, auto lift. This is a lift up down, electronically motorized up down. Also, auto lift after detect of ending point, the auto lift. Stop. So I want a power. I like to show, but power is not available here. We're gonna have power.
$300.
Right. That's why I brought, in case of display, laser line, and I brought thing for display. Also, a tooling kit, setup tool. It's very easy setup. Looks complicated, but very easy setup. It's a easy setup from spindle to pivot, any place, pivot, is an adjustment, spindle, and this tool is make it a spindle to set up. window. Like that. It's done. Very quickly, easy setup. Accurately. All setup tool is included. And 2 head shell included. Small and short. Also, this is Azimuth tool in case of Azimuth balance.
Hey, you got any aspirin in there?
Any question? So, after
Is there an arm lift,
arm lift, on and off, motorized arm lift.
wireless option?
No wireless. Just this wire is connect. Power using adapter power supply. Also, GTA
Pretty sweet
during
looking
the
arm,
play.
huh?
During
Where's
the
in your
play,
neck of the woods?
GTA. Also this
Arizona?
balance.
Oh shit! I thought you were in Seattle. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I thought you're not in Seattle. Why did I think that?
No.
Thought you were.
And you can see this. How
Our
accurately-
magazine's based out of Victoria,
How accurately
Victoria,
BC.
BC.
straight line.
BC.
Straight line.
BC.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
100% tangential. Try.
Maybe that's why I thought. Man, that's,
That's beautiful.
yeah.
Perfect tangential with pivot. Pivot tangential tonearm.